Kadam.
Kadam, sir.
Niren.
Thank
Okay. Hi friends. I am with my friend farmer Niren Teron. He's a Karbi guy and he lives in a beautiful mountain here in somewhere in the northeast, beautiful northeast India, and he grows the best quality turmeric in his field, and which has got a curcumin percentage more than 7. It ranges from 7 to 10. I'm not going to tell you the variety name. I'm not going to tell you the name of the place, because why I'm coming to this. This video is mainly focused on one of the wonder spice that God has given us, that is the turmeric. So every curry needs turmeric. When we talk about immunity, so many people, the first prescription is turmeric. Might be mix some turmeric and milk and eat, or your turmeric paste, raw turmeric paste. So this turmeric is used in many purposes. But what we fear is, what we grow in our farms and what we eat. So there is a chain in between, and where this turmeric becomes a business. As a farmer, Niren, our religion is to give you good food. But on the way, we have got a chain where people are there who are interested in marketing the farmer's produce. So what happens is, they sometimes become very greedy, and they make your turmeric powder into spurious. Why spurious? Because many times now in the market we get turmeric powder which are mixed with chalk powder, which are mixed with rice flour. But when you mix rice flour, you have to make it more yellow color. So they mix very toxic chemical like the methanol yellow color, which is very toxic and which is very dangerous for you. So our religion to give you good food is somewhere made a path of sin for us, where the produce which you eat becomes polluted, or it is becoming adulterated. So we have to, now we farmers has to become the barefoot scientist, and we have to think about how we give you food directly. So we have started this tribal cooperative, from where you can buy directly your best quality turmeric and pay the farmers what they deserve. It's not like the whole chain of middlemen which give them peanuts and they earn lots of money, because the turmeric I am talking about with more than 7 curcumin percentage fetches a very good price on the internet. When as a farmer we look at the internet price, and when we look at our price which the middleman gives us, or the businessman who takes from us gives us, it is very pathetic for our farmers. So today, as farmers, we are going to demonstrate you first how you taste your turmeric, whether you buy from us or whether you buy from the market. First job, when you give it to your kids, when you eat it, it is your job to check that that is the best quality turmeric. The simple taste is warm water taste. Take a glass like that, pour some warm water here.
Okay, sir. I will give, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So take water, and after that, the turmeric powder. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and put on the top of the water, and just keep it for 20 minutes. What you look at is, if your turmeric is pure, then this turmeric, like we did it 20 minutes ago, so this turmeric will settle on the bottom, it will sediment on the bottom of the glass, and the water will be clear here. So this is the sign of the pure turmeric. And if your turmeric is not good, or it is mixed with toxic chemicals for coloring or coloring agents, then what you'll find is it will mix up, the whole turmeric will mix up. So this is a very simple test which you can do. Take a glass of water, put a spoon of warm water, not cold water, warm water, not very hot water also, warm water. Then you put 1 spoon of the turmeric powder there, and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. The turmeric settles down, your turmeric is good. The powder settles down or sediments on the bottom of the glass, it is good, the water is clear. But if it is mixed and the whole water is like yellow color, and you cannot see anything on the water, like it is very deep yellow color, then that is the chemical which is used for coloring the turmeric. So this is one simple taste. Second taste, to check whether your this chemical coloring agent is there in your turmeric powder, take a test tube. It's something important now in your kitchen to have good food. So take a test tube, put some turmeric powder which you want to check, put 2 drops of hydrochloric acid, stir it very vigorously. If the solution becomes pink, then your turmeric is not good. It is mixed, right? And another test which you can do for your checking up if your turmeric powder has chalk powder. So what you do is take some water in a glass, then add some turmeric powder and put 2 drops of hydrochloric acid. If the whole water starts bubbling, then you be sure that your turmeric powder has got chalk powder in that. So these are some tests which you have to do, whether you buy from our farmers or whether you buy from your market, because at the end of the day, you and your family has to be safe and immune. And this wonder spice God has given us for an immunity building activity for us. This is very important, which we have to look at. So what we are doing now is, many farmers in the Northeast, they are growing this beautiful turmeric with curcumin percentage more than 7, and they are now starting marketing it directly to their cooperative, which is called the Spread Any Tribal Farmers Cooperative. So you can have your turmeric powder directly from the farmers. This pack, it is of 30 rupees, and this goes to your home. If you buy it, only the transportation cost you have to bear, because the farmers are getting 30 rupees out of this. Directly the money you spend goes to the farmers. So it's a fair trade. So we have to develop this fair trade, and I as a farmer have developed this program, and Spread Any, my organization, we have started this program called Farm Connect, where we want to connect you to a farmer, make a farmer friend for your food, and eat safe. So if you want your very good local forest food product, this yellow turmeric powder from our farmers, so you can order us at www.spreadany@gmail.com. You can email us at spreadany@gmail.com, and you can also give a message on our page Farm Connect. We have a Facebook page called Farm Connect, and you can give us a message for your pack of very good quality turmeric. So friends, adopt a farmer for your food and eat safe. And this turmeric is everywhere in your days, so you have to be very safe. You want to say something, Teron?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, mic is here, so come near. Yeah.
Directly, sir. Buy from farmer.
Yep.
Spread Any tribal cooperative, sir.
Yeah, so buy from the farmers, make a farmer friend, adopt a farmer for your food. This is the message for today, and don't forget the taste. And I think you are now ready to go to the kitchen and taste your turmeric, whether it is good. A glass of water, plain glass of water, which is warm. Just put a teaspoon of the turmeric powder, keep it for 20 minutes. If it sediments down, then your turmeric is good. If it doesn't and it mixes, then your turmeric is not good. Discard it. Adopt a farmer for your food. Thank you.